Klaviyo has recently announced changes to its pricing structure set to take effect on February 18th. Naturally, this news has raised concerns amongst users, with many worried about its impact on profit margins or the platform simply becoming too expensive. So here's the big picture. Klaviyo isn't raising prices just for the sake of it. This move is a push to ensure we are using the platform as it's intended, not as a CRM, but as a specialized email and SMS marketing tool. And the problem is many of us have been treating Klaviyo like a storage unit, keeping thousands of inactive profiles in our accounts. That's not what it's intended for. That's not what it's designed for. And it's costing the customers money. By enforcing billing based on active profiles, they are encouraging us to focus on what truly matters: active, engaged subscribers. So this is your reminder to once again refine your strategy. List cleaning has always been one of the most important principles of effective email marketing, and this announcement is just forcing us to treat it as a priority even more than ever. By cleaning up your list, prioritizing engaged profiles, and optimizing your account, you can not only manage costs, but also enhance deliverability and performance. Unlike CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, which are built to handle large-scale data across sales, support, and customer relationships, Klaviyo's strength lies in its ability to personalize and automate your marketing. It's not about storing inactive profiles. It's about creating meaningful connections and delivering measurable outcomes. So what does this mean for you? Well, first of all, don't panic. You have time to prepare before the changes take place on February 18th. But this is an opportunity to make your database leaner and more efficient, and of course, more impactful. So by cleaning your list, suppressing inactive profiles, and focusing on engagement, you'll not only keep costs manageable, but also enhance deliverability and ROI. And to help you with this transition, I've created a tutorial that walks you through setting up your sunset flow and automating your list cleaning process. Klaviyo released new features that will allow you to adjust your flows to automatically remove disengaged profiles. So check out the video that follows this, and I hope this will help you with that transition. There is a short video showing you how to set up your sunset flow basically on autopilot, that the profiles will go through the flow, be marked as unengaged, and then automatically removed from your list. All right, let me walk you through the sunset flow, the basic element. So we're starting with a segment of everyone who has been unengaged in the last 180 days and never purchased. So basically, someone who can receive email marketing, open email at least once over all time, or click email at least once over all time. However, clicked 0 times in the last 180 days and has not been active on a site in the last 180 days, and also placed 0 orders over all time. Anyone who enters that segment triggers the sunset flow. In a sunset flow, I'm only using one email. Basically, the email has 2 buttons, has an offer, and if they are interested in the offer, they are going to click, and that will move them to a different segment. If they are not, we are also giving them an option to unsubscribe. And then once they go through this, I have placed a conditional split, and if anyone who clicked the button interested in the offer in the email, it will be moved to the yes segment, and everyone who didn't click, didn't take any action, is going to go into the no part of the conditional split, where we are marking them as unengaged. I have a video on custom properties. You can watch that video here. But here, basically, we are marking them as unengaged. And then 2 days later, I've added this new functionality that we have now in Klaviyo. In a list update, you're adding this here, list update, and then we can either add them to a list or we can remove them from a list. So in this case, I'm removing them from my list. And this is how this will show in your list, in the details of your list. So when you go to your list, and when you look at the unsubscribes, you will see a flow action. And this is going to show you how many profiles are being removed each month from your list based on this flow. I hope you find this useful. Set this up right away so you can start cleaning your list automatically, and then hopefully your bill is going to be much more in control when Klaviyo's changes take place. I hope you find this interesting and informative, and I'll see you in my next video.